almost like 3:30. Almost like 9.5 hours of trek. I think it is 2.5 kilometers away. Now it's getting very cold now, so I'll have to wear the jacket now and I'll go and rest for a while. You can see the horses come only up till here. After this, everyone has to walk. It's just a matter of 2 kilometers. Hi. You can see the temple from far away. We are almost a kilometer away. And see the greenery behind. That itself is like a lingam. Om Namah Shiva. Yes guys, finally have reached with his blessing. Om Namah Shiva. Yes guys, finally I have reached with his blessing. You can see there the Almighty Kedarnath temple, and it started raining here now, so I have to go fast for darshan. Okay, see you soon. Hi guys, finally I have reached Kedarnath with his blessing. You can see the temple here. This is Almighty Kedarnath temple. I'll be going for darshan. It took almost like 9.5 to 10 hours of trek from Gaurikund to Kedarnath. People should definitely try trekking, and the kind of emotions and the kind of thoughts you go through the mighty Himalaya mountains, and it's just amazing guys, it's just amazing. Everyone should give it a shot. Alright, let us go for darshan. Let's see you soon. There is a helicopter service. As you can see there, it's a helipad, helicopter drop-off point. But you should be able to book well in advance. You can see the helicopter roaming like any other truck here. I'm not sure. Final few steps for darshan. Kedarnath ji. Few steps. Om Namah Shivaya. Shivaya.